Some of the peoples who wrote about Yazidis that these people worship a devil. They have a devil. They have a tail.
They made their plan to escape and get away from here, from us.
لالش هیونی عردیه
Ayna beş ekilal şnediti varam şillal şakar nurani bebine.
I'm Shahwan Haji Sabri. I came here to help my grandfather who take care of this temple for Yazidis. At first, any visitor, when they came here, we faced at the beginning the big gate. We called it Mir Gate. In front of the gate, there is a symbol of a black snake. The humanity faced a big flood when the Prophet Nuh made his ship and chose each couple of the animals to save them. His ship faced a hole under the ship. The Prophet Nuh demanded from the black snake to put itself in the hole in order not to sink. Till now, these people cannot kill the black snake because it saved the humanity and make it to be continued. There is a similarity between the Bible, the Quran, in our books. It's described that there is a similarity between these stories. These people believed in one God, that God who created the sky, who created our world. After the God, there is angels. At that time when God created Adam, He called for the angels to obey Adam. 6 of them obeyed Adam except one. That one we called him Azazil. He disobeyed Adam. He said to God that you created us from your light and you created Adam from the soul. How can the light obey soul? We said we have a Taus Malak. Taus Malak is the name of that angels. These people took a peacock to be a symbol for that angels, as a prophet for these people, that he's alive in the sky, look after all the humanity.
خود نجات قبایا